Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Aonoka USB Wall Socket. Wow, 4000 watt power. It's a wall USB outlet extender. Ooh, with two USB ports. 2.4 ampere is a socket adapter, an USB adapter, and socket Schuko multiple plug with two USB chargers for DC, speakers, laptop, smartphones, tablets, and it is white and it is a pack of two. Also, you can buy a single version too as you like, but I bought a two pack because that's better for my energy supply. USB adapter plug. One Schuko socket with two USB ports, maximum current 16 ampere, maximum power up to 4000 watt. It can cover most of our power needs in our life, such as ovens, dryers, and other electrical appliances. The socket with two USB ports. The Aonoka USB socket adapter via two USB ports with a total current of 2.4 ampere. Yeah, 2.4 ampere each max, which can meet our multiple charging requirements. We just need to connect a German Schuko socket or a Belgian or as well. To connect it onto one socket and double USB socket are available, suitable for all occasions. The beautiful modern design facilitates the integration of the plug into a modern home. The socket USB chargers are compact in design and are suitable for use in bathrooms, kitchens, and student rooms. 2. No prop. And of course in our office, as you can see, it works really good. Small, attractive USB socket adapter. The size is 10.8 to 5.1 to 7.3 centimeters, and it comes with a weight of only 120 grams. Yeah, that's awesome. It's like a fist. So tiny it is. It is suitable for carrying in a school bag, travel bags, or as you like in your hand, which can reduce the travel load too. And strong safety. The socket USB charger is made of high quality ABS and PC94VO with integrated child safety function. Avoid sparking or destruction of the lower adapters. That's really awesome and easy to use, as you can see. It is so nice to gain a standard socket to a triple socket with that. Oh yeah. And today, it is not standard that the new appliance which you can buy comes with an AC adapter. It comes only with an USB cable to USB-C, for example, or USB or whatever. And then this wall socket additional outlet extender can help you with that. You do not have to buy in for each device an extra AC adapter. It is integrated in that Aonoka USB wall socket adapter set with two USB ports. Yeah, this is a good, awesome socket adapter with USB adapter and a socket Schuko multiple plug to USB charger for our smartphone tablets as well. And it looks really nice because it looks a little bit like a diamond, and it comes to my socket and make it brilliant for me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.